Hi guys, welcome to Shaka channel guys. So guys, a lot of people worry about that how we can update content for dynamic websites like PHP and kind of websites. So how will we promote that kind of dynamic website? So I'm selecting for one news portal. In this news portal website, how is the posting content from dynamic pages? That is called SEO friendly dynamic pages. In this purpose, first of all, the main option will be called categories. In this, what are the category you're creating will be here. That is called English Telugu, and this will be category type will be post, image, or video. So these are the multi options are here. So in this one, what are the content you're posting will be here. That all content will be posting for your particular option. So if you are posting for videos, there is an option will be videos here. So right now, so one of the web series going on very top, the Surya web series. In this web series, I'm posting for in my content, where in the video option that is called Surya web series. In this web series, how will be promoting the content? How will be generating your company and the particular website views will be. In this purpose, first of all, they're creating for admin panel here. In this admin panel, what are the content you post? Suppose I am posting this content in this, first of all, SEO friendly URL compulsory important. So that is called, I'm selecting this is our title. That mean by your title option. Now, same will be copy. It will be posting for core option. So after this one, what are the cast and crew? Everything will be prepared on in this option. So this content you prepare already on your particular documentation. Category will be Surya web series. Now will be post the content. In the video URL, v is equal up to 11 character will be support. How many? 11 character will be support. So that is called we can using for up to 11 characters. Now click for submit. What are the content you posting for web pages? That all will be here. First of all, this will be user friendly. Control U. If you are checking for control U, so what are the title you mention here? Everything is ready. Next will be proper description will be here. So that is your cast and crew. Everything will be here. The particular option. In this one, major one you are focusing for H1 tag. After this one, you are focusing for canonical URL. This is compulsory mentioned by your particular website when using for dynamic pages. If using for post option, image is compulsory important. That is called image will be showing for particular alt tag. So what are the content you posting your web pages? That is called SEO friendly compulsory important. So what are the web series you are promoting? Complete one. You create the one category. Each category you're posting for number of episodes. This will be highlight on the your particular Google. When people searching for Surya web series episode 4, your website will be position will show into the Google option. So that is how we are creating for here is a particular SEO title and description. So next one, if you're posting for fifth option, that is called here is I'm posting for fifth video. So here title will be using for pipe symbol. Pipe nothing but R. Each category will be dependent by the pipe option. So that is called what are the option will be using here. The same will be using for your particular video option. So that is your SEO title. Next, copy this content. So your content will be prepared. Copy, paste. Next will be uploading for cast and crew. Here is uploading. Next will be uploading for video option will be here. The video will be posting for exactly your option. So here with the content will be posting. So proper optimization is very important. That is the title and description. What are things? You click for submit option. So this is the way we have to post content for your particular web pages. That will be move on to the particular website writing for SEO friendly for dynamic web pages. So first you can create the proper category. So this will be posting your content on your particular web pages. So this is called what are the category of posting related post your compulsory post on your particular website. So guys, this is called your particular web pages to create the dynamic websites. For any more doubts, you can ask me in my channel. I definitely supporting for your particular things. I one more time I'll show you here. Last episode I'm uploading for sixth one. First of all, what are the title you mentioned? YouTube title will be both are same. No need to worry. Why? Because I can give credit to the that particular title. So that is called your SEO title will be here. But what are the title will be using? This is a correct URL structure. In this URL structure, don't use any kind of special characters. Don't use any kind of special characters. If you're using special characters, it will affected by the your particular web pages. That particular affected by the web pages. In the particular web pages, we can add your cast and crew option. This is complete for your cast and crew. So that will be here and post the content. Add your category will be Surya web series. So these all will be content to the marketing for particular dynamic pages. So that is called first you create the category and each category will post the content. What are the content you're posting for proper URL structure will be designed. Every option will be give the in a particular website pages. So these are the method will be follow onto particular search engine option. So this is a very important to optimize your web pages onto the dynamic websites. So same follow instructions and create your web pages, promote your content to reach the audience to the particular web page for dynamic website. For more any updates, you can ask me to my channel. I definitely will be support. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.